Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply log in into BeReal account on new phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is simply have to access your particular BeReal app on your phone. Once you have opened the app, here in this section, what you gotta do is you first have to enter the correct number that you create your account with in your previous phone, and tap on the send verification. Once you've got the verification, you can simply skip the adding friend option and simply allow the information that you would like, and if you don't, then don't. Then here in this section, you can see once you have added the exact same number that you had in your previous account in your previous phone, you will access the original account of yours. You don't have to create a new one. So that is basically it. Either you have to remember the correct username or the correct number. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching.